Hi everyone, today's video is going to be my Jasper trip vlog. I took this trip last year from October 15th till 17th with a friend, and it was mainly a photography and hiking trip. So you'll be seeing some photos pop up here and there throughout this vlog. The first hike that we did was at Lakey Canyon. The canyon has been around for quite some time, so you can see the power that the water has in forming all of these rock formations. It was a really cool hike and quite an easy one as well, so even beginner hikers like my friend found it pretty decent. There's lots of places to take great photos at, and the watercolor is absolutely amazing. You should definitely check out Lakey Canyon if you are in the Jasper area. It was so amazing and a really good hike. After that, we went to have a little bit of lunch. Something about instant noodles outside makes it so much tastier for some reason. And after that, we explored around the little picnic area we were at. This is the 6th Bridge. After that, we headed into the town of Jasper. Jasper is located in the middle of 2 mountain ranges, so it can get actually quite windy in that town. It's a pretty small town though. We explored downtown area a little bit and then made it to our Airbnb, which was only 3 minutes away from the downtown core, if you can believe it. The Airbnb was really spacious, and it definitely was a little bit too much space for 2 people. So our dinner for that night was at a local pub. So we had a sampler pack of the locally made beer, and it was tasty. I don't like beer, but if you like beer, this might be your thing. The food was pretty decent as well. And then after that, we went back to the Airbnb and rested for a bit and rested up for the next day. So for the next day, we decided to go to one of the highly recommended bakeries in town, which was called Bear Paw Bakery. They have a pastry called Bear's Paws, and it's basically a bear paw that's like a cinnamon roll without raisins, because raisins are evil. I highly recommend trying this if you are in Jasper. I can see why this place is so highly recommended. It was great. And then after that, we went to the Columbia ice fields. However, we weren't able to actually go onto the ice fields because of the higher wind warnings. It was too windy to safely do the tour on the ice field, so unfortunately that was cancelled. However, we were able to go to the skywalk, and it was pretty cool. We got to see a lot of waterfalls. And then after that, we actually headed to Athabasca Falls. So this was another easy hiking path with another amazing view of the waterfalls and the mountains, and it was great. The rock formation was absolutely amazing. I loved seeing that. And the waters look so crystal clear and pristine. It is amazing. Definitely check out the little pool at the end of the falls. The water is absolutely gorgeous, and the mountain view was just amazing. I really enjoyed my time here at Athabasca Falls. After that, we headed back into town and ran into some bighorn sheep. We had a pre-dinner snack of the hot chicken carbonara. Oh, it was really spicy. And then we headed off to our dinner reservation, which was at Evil Dave's. I mainly picked this place because of the name. The food was okay, but it was pretty decent. Our final day was spent at the other Bear Paw Bakery. So it's another location of the Bear Paw Bakery. However, it's a little bit smaller. It was a really good, relaxing morning, and we watched the sunrise in town, peeking out over those mountains. That was absolutely amazing. We found a really cool cafe, and the coffee was really good. And then after that, we headed to Pyramid Lake. This lake is only about 5 minutes drive from the downtown core. It was crystal clear and pristine and absolutely amazing. So all in all, a really good trip down to Jasper. I would love to revisit again in the future. Thank you for watching today's video. Let me know if you ever visited the Rocky Mountains before. I'd love to hear about it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!